Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Savita. This channel is all about DIYs and furniture painting, mostly Indian style. Getting a puja cabinet for people who is living outside India is very difficult. Even if you find one, it is very expensive. However, it is possible to repurpose any cabinet into a puja shelf just by adding this gopuram over that. Making this gopuram gives that authentic feel of our Indian traditional puja cabinet. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this gopuram. For making the gopuram, you will need crown molding, 3 inch by 1 inch regular wooden board, finials, wooden glue, wire brad, and a compound miter saw to make the appropriate cuts. I bought this crown mold from Home Depot and finials from eBay. You can also buy these from Amazon. The design of the gopuram is like building a 4-sided pyramid with 4 pieces of crown mold for each side and this flat board for the top. Cutting the crown mold is a bit tricky because each edge of the crown mold needs a miter cut and also bevel cut. Meaning the cut should be made at an angle both from bottom to top and also outside to inside. To make such cuts, you will need a compound miter saw. The technique will appear complicated the first time you attempt it, but with some practice, you will be able to master it. First, let's understand the settings required on the miter saw. In the miter saw, the turntable should be set to an angle 31.6. The bevel angle has to be set at 33.9 by tilting the blade. Now the miter saw is set to cut the left side of the front piece. The crown mold should be placed on the turntable in such a way that the base of the gopuram faces outside. Now it is all set. Push the blade down to make the cut. To cut the right side of the front piece, turn the turntable to the other side and fix it at an angle 31.6. Since the blade cannot be tilted in other direction, place the base of the gopuram facing inside. I want the base of the gopuram 28 inches long. Then cutting the right end of the front piece of the gopuram. I'm done cutting the front piece of the gopuram. You can see the miter cut from bottom to top and the bevel cut from outside to inside. Next, I'm going to cut the back piece which measures the same length as the front side. The front and back pieces are ready and now I'm cutting the side pieces. The top edge of the side piece should measure the width of the flat board. Now cut the flat board 22.5 inches as same as the top of the front piece and make a straight cut. The The 5 pieces are ready to be fixed. It has to be fixed in the shape of a pyramid. I have attached these pieces using wire brads and wood glue. Now the base of the gopuram is all fixed together. The joints has to be sealed using wood filler. Before sealing, sand the edges using a sand brick. Once the sealer dried, sand it again to remove any excess wood filler. This gives a smooth finish to the edges. Now it is ready to paint. Before attaching the finials on the gopuram, I have spray painted it gold. Painting the base of the gopuram with red and green to give the temple look. Once the painting is complete, I am attaching the finials to the base of the gopuram using E6000 glue. Now the gopuram is all set to go over the cabinet. Hope this video gives you an idea about making gopurams. Visit my Facebook page for more ideas on how to repurpose any cabinet to serve as a puja cabinet.